Ta-da! This is MathsDoc. Now let's look at this calculus question, but it involves coordinate geometry. The question says that find the equation of the tangent x squared plus xy minus y squared plus 4 is equal to 0 at the point 2, 4. Now what it means is that this particular equation is a circle and there is going to be a line which is a tangent touching this particular circle at a point which is 2, 4. So it's assumed that this circle having the tangent is touching this point. So we are going to look for the tangent which is a line, to solve or to find the equation. So we're going to find the equation of a line. Before we can do that, you need to have what we mean by the gradient. So we have to deduce the gradient from this particular equation. So we can only do this by applying calculus. So differentiating x squared is 2x plus, when you are differentiating the x and y, it is an implicit function. So you maintain the x, then differentiate the y, which is dy dx, plus now you maintain the y, then you differentiate the s, which is as 1. Then also we have negative 2y squared, so differentiating that is going to be minus 2y dy dx, and then plus, when you want to differentiate 4 is 0, so it's equal to the equation which is also 0. Now let's come to this side. Now looking at this expression, we can group like terms by putting all the various dy ds expression at one side. So I will have x dy dx minus 2y dy dx. Then I move the minus 2x to the other side, and then y, which is minus y, also to the other side. Let's factorize dy dx out in order to get a simple expression. So dy dx into bracket x minus 2y is equal to minus 2x minus y. So at this point, we can now make dy dx the subject. So dy dx is equal to minus 2x minus y all over x minus 2y. Now at this point, we now have to find the gradient, and the gradient is at a point where we have the point 2, 4. So we can substitute the value of 2, 4 there. Remember the 2, 4, x and then y. So dy dx is equal to minus 2x is what? 2, so we put 2 there, and then minus y is 4, so 4 there, all over x minus 2y is what? 4, so 4 there, and our x is 2. Simplifying dy dx, we're going to have minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 will give you minus 8, and then 2 minus 2 times 4 is 8. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So minus will cancel. 2 can go into 4. 2 can go into 4, and 2 can go into 8, which is 4, and then 2 can go into 6, which is 3. So our gradient is 4 over 3. So from here, we now want our tangent, and tangent is a line. So in that case, the equation of a line which we all know is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. In that case, we can now substitute the point into the expression. So y minus y1 is 4, and then is equal to, the gradient is 4 over 3, don't forget, which is the m. X minus x1 is the 2. So y minus 4 is equal to, let's expand. So it's going to have 4x over 3 minus 8 over 3. So simplifying, y is equal to 4x minus 3 minus 8 over 3 plus 4. And if you want to simplify, if you add 8 over 3 plus 4, our expression is going to be 8 over 3 minus plus 4. We are having over 1. So here LCM is 3. 3 go here, that is 8. And then 4, 3, 4, 12. And it's minus. So remember, this will give you 4. So 4 over 3. So we have y is equal to 4x over 3 plus 4 over 3. And this is the equation of the tangent, and that is what we are looking for. Please subscribe to this channel, and we have a lot of you to solve your issue of mathematics. I'll be able to heal you. Don't forget, Maths Doc is on the way.